Hello guys, welcome back to Python and programming series. So in this video, we are going to discuss about tuples. So in the previous classes, we have discussed about list, right? So similarly, tuple is a data structure. So using which we can store multiple data items under a single name. So they're as same as a list. The only difference is list is mutable, and tuple is immutable. So tuple immutable means, so when you define a tuple and you cannot modify it in the future. Okay, so that means let's define it first, a tuple. Okay, so I will take the same example as marks here, and here in this case what we have to do is we have to use this a parenthesis for defining a tuple. So I will give 12, 13, maybe 16 and 19. That's it. Okay, so when you define it, it's done. You cannot add elements to this tuple, or you cannot delete it. Okay, so it's a constant structure, and you can say it's a immutable object. Okay, so let me print that marks, and you might want to see what is the type of this one. I mean, for that let me print the type also, if you want to take a look at this one. Now let's run the program. See here, you got all the elements and class is a tuple here. And just like a list, if you want to access any particular element using their position value, we can do that using the index. The only thing is you cannot modify it or you cannot update it. Okay, so that's the only difference. So now let's print marks, maybe of -1 I will give. That will be better. Okay, see here, you got the last element from this tuple. That's about these tuples, guys. I mean, if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section below, and try to practice this program, because without practicing you won't learn anything, not only Python, any programming language. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. In the next video we will be discussing about dictionaries. Till then, take care, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if possible please hit that bell icon as well.